Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you found this video useful or you're watching it for how-to videos or entertainment purposes, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. I greatly appreciate it. Now, we got a Hyundai Sonata with a V6 3.3 with a 5-speed automatic transmission. In this video, I'm showing you how to get down here underneath the battery and where the filter is located. First thing you need to do is jack the vehicle up in the air, secure it with jack stands, and we're going to get underneath the vehicle here. Alright guys, when you got the vehicle secured up in the air on your jack stands, get underneath of it, you got to take off the heat shield or splash guard. Well, this one isn't really a heat shield, it's a splash guard right here underneath the transmission. Undo the 10mm bolts that hold it on and remove it. And also, there's only 5 of them on this customer's car. I don't know if it got broke or what, but there's 5 of them, 3 right there, 1 there, and 1 right over in that corner. So we're gonna get these 5 removed. Alright guys, as you can see here, you get the splash guard removed and you got access right here to the transmission filter pan. On a Hyundai and Kia, they're located on the front of the transmission. Why they're not on the bottom, I don't know. I didn't design it. First thing you do before you start unbolting this pan, remove the drain plug and drain all the fluid out of the transmission. Alright guys, get underneath your vehicle, get your fill pan so you can drain the transmission fluid. Also, transmission pan drain plug right there, that's a 24mm. Get it removed, drain the transmission, be right back with you. Alright guys, now we got the transmission draining. Put nasty fluid out of it. Probably all burnt up. Let's inspect the drain plug. Oh yeah, got definitely a little clutch wear on this drain pan plug. Oh well, we're just doing a fluid flush and a filter change. That's all we're paid to do on this customer's vehicle. Be right back with you guys. Alright guys, now we're going to sit here and start undoing the pan bolts. I thought I can get in there to them. They're 10mm. Alright guys, we're going to put the drain pan plug back in the transmission before we unmove the filter housing pan. One thing you need to do guys is you need to undo the battery so you can get to the top of the transmission pan belts. Alright guys, once you get the battery removed, you need to go in there and take the battery tray out. Oh, we got one right there in the corner. Alright guys, get the battery tray removed and you can get to the top pan bolts that are right here on top. They're not exactly fun to get to, but it's only hard if you make it hard. Let's get to it. Alright guys, let's get underneath and start moving these bolts. Alright guys, we got the ones on the bottom of the pan removed. Now we're just going to reach right up in here and remove the ones right on each side and pull out this transmission filter. Alright guys, we got almost all the bolts removed from the transmission pan. You can see right up in there, and there's the transmission pan right there. Or you look right here underneath. Get these last couple removed, we'll get the pan off, and we'll see what the filter looks like. Alright guys, we got all the bolts removed except for the one that's right here underneath the neutral safety switch. Make sure you don't take it out of alignment, otherwise you go to put your car, try to start your car, put it in reverse, things like that, it won't work or your lights won't light. So we're going to get to those bolts. They're right underneath of it. Very carefully. Be right back with you. Alright guys, once you got all the transmission bolt pans removed from the transmission pan, get up under it, take you a very small little pry bar, wedge it in there, and let's pull the pan off. Alright guys, we got the pan loose here. Now we're just going to finagle it down out of there. Alright guys, now that we got the pan cover removed, now you can get right to the top of the transmission valve body and filter assembly, right here on front of the transmission. Right there underneath the neutral safety switch. It's all exposed, but you can get in there and replace it and rebuild it, whatever you're doing. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. You have a blessed day.